Amazon haul. So I wanted to spruce up my room a bit. My bed was not always white and black. I had a great comforter. It was really darkening my room. So I wanted to spruce up my room. So basically my goal was to just spruce it up with white to make my room brighter instead of dull. So today I'm here to show you what I got from Amazon. So let's get started. The first thing I'm gonna show you, I don't even know what I'm taking out this box, but I kind of already opened everything because I don't want to open boxes on camera. So I just opened everything. So I'm just gonna start pulling stuff out. So the first thing I got are these pillowcases. Kind of has like a ruffle detailing, kind of cute. And I got 2 of those. And those are gonna go on 2 of the white pillows. They don't have any pillowcases on them. I used to have some dull grayish pillows on them, pillowcases on them. So that's enough. It's gonna be white and bright. I also have a little bit of black too. The next thing I have are just 2 plain white pillowcases because my bedding underneath this comforter is white. Another white pillowcase. These are for the 2 extra pillows that I bought for my bed. Ooh, okay, here we go. So my headboard on my bed is velvet. So I got these 2 black velvet pillowcases for 2 smaller pillows. Right now, those have pink pillowcases on them. That's not the vibe I'm going for. I like pink, but I want it to be black, white, gray, mixed metals. That's what I'm going for. So 2 velvet pillowcases. What's this? Ultra soft plush blanket. Ooh, I don't even have the scissors. Oh, I got it. So you know how people like throw blankets at the end of their bed? I need to do that. Like sometimes I want to unmake my bed when I want to be cozy. So I bought like a black throw. It says Beauty Fix on it. But basically it's just a black little throw you throw on your bed. Ooh, and it's velvet, so it feels so soft. But yeah, it looks like this. And it's big. I love it. I love it. I love it. Ooh, I'm gonna be so comfy. Sometimes I like to just roll up on my bed with the laptop and just watch YouTube. And I could just put this over my feet when they get cold, and I can still be comfy and cute all at the same time. And just so you know, I'm gonna try my best to link everything down below. Stay tuned for more. I definitely want you guys to like, comment, subscribe, and also in the comments down below, make sure you suggest things that you want to see. On to the next thing. What does it say? Softly Home 100% cotton. The whole blanket don't fell out the bag. But anyway, ooh, basically I got a muslin cotton blanket to be under my comforter because I usually just sleep under my sheet and my comforter. So I got a blanket, and it's a thin blanket because I do not like being hot. So I got a muslin blanket, and it kind of coming off navy there, but it's actually black. So that's on that. That's on what? Period. Black and white. Oh. The other thing I got, what else did Ayana get? I got 2 pillows. So it says dust mite resistant, soft and fluffy, skin friendly, breathable fabric, prevent allergies, and there's 2 pillows in one. It's called Hokai Hotel Quality Pillows. Material cotton. The size is 28.3 inches. Weight 4 pounds. So I love pillows. Who doesn't love pillows? But anyway, I love pillows. And right now my bed has 4 pillows. 2 pillows has a sham, and then there's 1 pillow on each side. They both have white silk pillowcases on them, and that is for my hair because I do not sleep with a bonnet. I know, right? I'm a black girl that don't sleep with a bonnet. Crazy, right? But yeah, I just like my hair to be out and to breathe at night. Good thing I don't have nails on, because it would have been an extra struggle. And I love nails. I'm just taking a break right now because my birthday's coming up. Capricorns all day, every day, the best sign. Comment down below your zodiac. That's besides the point. If y'all want to see some nail videos, well, not really nail videos, I don't do nails, but oh, my Instagram, yeah, check out my Instagram, melanin2_queen with a K, KWEEN. On that page, which is my personal Instagram, I have a highlight about my nails. Go check that out. My nails be looking fire. But anyway, ooh, these pillowcases. I'm so excited. Am I the only one that gets excited when I get Amazon packages? Like, excited. And I've literally had these items for maybe almost a month, and I have not opened them because I really want to do this video. Like, I really want to get the courage to start my YouTube channel. So that's what I'm doing now. Ooh, they're so fluffy. And they do feel like a hotel pillow. Like, oh my God. And look, like, you know when you go to a hotel, their pillows have like the rim. Look at this. Look at that. It has a rim. Ooh, I like it. So that pillow is going to get a white pillowcase. Ooh, I can't wait. I'm gonna just put it in on camera. I know y'all want to see. At least I know I be wanting to see. When I watch YouTube videos, I'm lazy. I want to see everything, okay? I want to see you put your pillows in your pillowcase. I want to see you sweep dust. Am I the only one? But, ooh, look at this. Ooh, ooh, I can't wait to go to sleep tonight. Ooh, soft pillows. And I'm not goofy, y'all. Like, don't even mind me. I'm really goofy. But y'all see that the more videos I make, I'm just literally like a big ball of fun. But I'm coming right back. I'm going to show y'all what pillows are going to be going into these and into these. Let me go get them. So guys, these are the 2 pillows that are pink right now, but I'm going to add these black ones on, and they're gonna look amazing. And then I will show you a before and after of how my bed looks without all of this cute stuff, and then I'll be back to show you how it looks with all the stuff together. So this is just a quick before video of my bed. This is how the bed looks. These are the pillows that don't have a pillowcase. The white pillows are going to be going on those. And this is my silk pillowcase. And these are my regular pillowcases that I don't sleep on with the sham. So 2 white pillows, and then I have 2 small black pillows. And then I'm going to unmake the bed and add my blanket. So I'll be right back. Another thing that I bought that I couldn't wait to open on camera is I bought a mattress pad, a mattress cover to go on top of my mattress to make it extra plush. I wanted my bed to feel like a hotel bed. So, you know, when you go to a hotel, you just sink into the bed. That's how I wanted my bed in my room to be. So that's what I was going for, and literally I achieved it. So guys, I added my muslin blankets onto my bed. Now I'm going to add the spread and pillows. Be right back. because the lighting is different. The sun is going down. It took me forever to freaking do this little video, but let me know what you guys think down below. I would love to know what you guys think of my transformation, and also what else you would love to see here on my channel. So let me know what you think. Bye.